Scientists wanted to test if a gorilla truly understood human strength. They brought a world-class bodybuilder into the enclosure and had him lift a massive 100-kilogram dumbbell. At first, the gorilla just stared, looking completely confused. The scientists thought the experiment was a failure. But minutes later, the gorilla did something that left everyone in the room speechless. But first, if you want to feed this hungry cat, hit subscribe and drop a heart in the comments. If you think he doesn't deserve food, ignore it. And if you think this cat is cute, hit the like button. If you don't, it means you hate cats. Instead of just lifting the weight, the gorilla held it over his head and began hitting perfect bodybuilding poses. He wasn't just showing his strength, he was proving his intelligence was far beyond what they imagined.